Yo, what's poppin'? Just doing a little trade breakdown for you. For me, everything starts on the weekly. So, weekly is bullish overall. We've got no reversal phase in line. Our order flow is bullish. Um, we've been bullish for a fucking while now. So, we'll see if this small range gets run through, but overall, still bullish. Daily bullish, failed to shift order flow and we ran the high. So our order flow is right here. So daily order flow bullish. We see we have a low here on the Wednesday of last week, and we see this daily candle running below this low. So potential SMT to run this liquidity up here on the daily. So weekly and daily bullish. So I'm looking for 4 hour to support that. 4 hour order flow is bullish with order flow here. So I'm anticipating bullishness even though this morning we still have potential SMT. And that's this high and this high. So I'm looking for the Dow and for ES to catch up to this high if we're going to continue bullish with this daily and weekly order flow to continue higher. Otherwise, if we close SMT and the hourly supports, we could see some bearishness before 4 hour chooses to get in line again. So 4 hour overall bullish, just looking for 1 hour to support. So 1 hour order flow is bullish. And in this 8 a.m. candle, notice that we don't have a 1 hour swing point to trade from, nor do we have a 1 hour range liquidity to target. So because of that, I'll be looking at the 15 minute, see if 15 minute has liquidity and 15 minute has some sort of swing formation that I can trade higher. So 7:45 a.m. formed a C2C, and we have this liquidity up here. Now, this is a 15-minute consolidation. So because it's a 15-minute consolidation, um, I would like to see um, SMT at the wicks or the run of the low in order to continue with 15-minute order flow. 15-minute order flow is in line with this 1 hour order flow. So overall bullish, so 15-minute supports. I have a 15-minute C2C on all three. So now I'm looking to see if there's SMT at any wicks to support higher prices, then I'll be looking at 5 minute to support that as well. And then I'll be trading a 1 minute entry. So as we see, we have a low here and we form a little higher low and here. Higher low. And there's our lower low SMT. So for me, this signals that price is saying it's likely to run this high up here. So that's what I'm targeting. Now, in this C3, I didn't have a clean entry, so I didn't enter in this C3. I entered in this C4 here, this 815 candle. I did trade YM as it is it's a higher low pair. This is also a higher low pair, but we had touched this liquidity before, so for me this is a stronger pair. So I'm looking for the C4 to be expansive within this liquidity. I'm looking for NASDAQ to catch up and ES to catch up. So I dropped to the 15 minute and leave. That's that 15-minute open. Hold on, down. Boom. All right. So I entered after this intercandle change state delivery at 8:20. It did happen on all three at the same time. I'm going to trade the leader, anticipating price to run this high and for NASDAQ to catch up here. So I did enter that. Um, so I entered in this next candle there, and I took profit at a 2 to 1. So I did this and then right there. So I took profit in this candle, and then I did hold to see if price would continue trickling up on NQ, and that would cause the Dow to trickle up. But what happened instead is we formed a swing point on this 825 candle, and there's no liquidity between my entry and my stop loss. So I did close within this next candle. Um, yeah, no harm, no foul. But that was the trade. Hopefully it's insightful and peace.